This is a video appraisal of a 2010 59 reg Volvo S60 2.4 petrol turbo manual. The car is direct from the police and comes with a full service history and a long police done MOT test. This car's got very good Goodyear tyres on, and there's no holes in the roof. The roof's been fully repainted, and there's also no holes in the rear tailgate where the police mount their ANPR camera. It's got part leather interior. And there's no engine management lights on the dash. The car's got Xenon lights, a CD player, and front fog lights. All the cars are on our website, which is www.xpolicecar.co.uk. You can hear the engine running. It's very, very smooth and very quiet.